Okay, so Naveed, this is end of your mock test. And to be honest, not bad.
Okay.
But what do you say about it? I mean, if it was your real test, would you pass the test or would you fail the test?
Failed.
You failed the test.
Yeah.
And what do you think? What mistakes did you make?
I think the last mistake I've done was pulling on the right, and then it was like a uphill. So I was trying to use the handbrake to make sure I don't roll back.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think I was on the wrong gear.
Mm-hmm.
And then I stole the car. And then also I was moving off, and instead of moving safely, I should have waited for all the cars to go, and then the cars from my left to go as well. And then when the road was clear, I could have done that.
Yeah. So do you think you would have failed the test for that?
I think yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything else?
It was that, and then also I think pulling on the left. That was also like I was a little bit hesitant in there on pulling on the left as well. I mean, my move off was okay, but I think it's just pulling off.
Mm-hmm.
There was one.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
No, that's the one you remembered, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go through one by one, all of them. First of all, if you pulled up on the left and you were moving off, yeah, and if there's a car coming behind you, what should you do?
Wait.
You wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, in the beginning when we started,
Yeah.
yes, and when you did first pulling up, okay, it was perfectly fine. You moved off nicely, and I asked you straight away to pull up again on the left side.
Yes.
Yeah. You pulled up on the left again. Yes, and there was some car coming from behind, and some cars were coming ahead of us as well.
Yeah.
You tell me, when you moved off, did you see there was a blue car coming behind us?
Yeah, I noticed that very late. Yeah, as I was moving off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but you moved off, yes?
Yeah. I was
Okay,
moving
but
off,
there were
yeah.
a couple of cars coming from straight ahead of us. You know, the other side.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. That car would have definitely stopped for you anyway. Yeah. You should have waited a little bit because they can't go. They can't overtake. You know, because the other cars were approaching from straight ahead of us.
Okay.
Yeah. And we are on the left side. Oncoming vehicles, they are coming, and the car behind us would have not gone by that time anyway. Yeah. But you should have waited for that vehicle to stop behind you, and then you move off.
Oh, I see. I
Do you
should have
understand
waited for this to stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, you understand now?
Okay, in that movie, should I have given an indicator? So
That's fine. You can give indicator,
Okay.
but you keep waiting until that car stop behind you, because that car can't go anyway. You know why? Because you are on the left side,
on the left side.
and there are cars coming from the right side, from the other side. Yes,
that makes
yeah,
sense.
and there is no space for the vehicle behind us, the blue vehicle, to squeeze through.
Okay.
Yes, that car would have definitely stopped, but you didn't wait for her for that car to be stopped.
Okay.
Yeah, what you did, you moved off.
Moved off. Yeah.
Yeah, and you know the lady, there was a lady, Ravi, if you remember. Yeah, she would have stopped for you anyway.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, that's it. That's one thing. Okay, so whenever you move off, okay, there are three ways to move off basically. First of all, if you move off, yeah, and there's look around and there's nobody behind you, okay, you give indicator, look over the shoulder, yeah, and then you go. It's all clear, you go. Yes. Sometimes what happens is, because there are so many cars coming behind, but no cars come straight ahead of us. Yeah. So at that time you wait until the cars come close to you, and 1 or 2 cars drive past you. At that time you can give indicator, and maybe from those 5, 6, 7, 8 cars, someone might give you the way. Yeah, and then you can move. Okay. The third way of moving is, sometimes what happens is, cars are coming behind as well, but at the same time some cars are coming from straight ahead as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Okay. So what will happen? They will block the road.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Because we are in the left, they are coming from that side. They wouldn't allow the other cars to overtake and go past you.
Okay.
Yeah. They will stop. That was the situation today with us.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. That's one thing. Anyway, so careful about that. And I have made all the notes here. Then straight after that, there was a mini roundabout. Yeah. Mini roundabout.
Oh yeah. I
Okay.
remember that,
In a
yeah.
mini roundabout, first of all, why are you looking on the left side?
That's true.
Isn't it?
Yeah. I should just-
Yes, you are more focused on the left.
Yeah.
Look, the people coming from the left side are looking for you. Yeah. What you should do?
Look on the right.
Look mostly straight ahead and the right.
Right.
Yeah. And for the time being, go full blind from the left. Yeah.
Okay.
Get your straight and right 100%. Yes. 100%.
Okay.
And then after that, once you get better on your right and straight, then you focus on the left. At the moment, currently, I am driving with you as well, and everything.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here, I help
Yeah,
you. Yeah?
yeah.
I can use the dual if there is any danger. But initially, with me, keep practicing on your right and straight. Yeah. Okay, once that is sorted,
Yeah.
then quick glance on the left side is not a problem.
Yeah.
No harm to look on the left.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you do, you done that twice today.
Okay.
Mini roundabout, you
Yeah.
are approaching, and instead of focusing on your right and straight, you unnecessarily wasting your time and looking at the left, and you treat that mini roundabout as a junction. No.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, straight. Yes, focus. And once that's done, soon you move off, you can quickly look on the left as well.
No.
If cars are coming from the left side, yeah, they will definitely stop for you. Okay, that was the serious mistake. Yeah, I made a note of that as well.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, yeah, one time today when we were on the Bletchley Drive, yeah, there was a white car parked on the left side. There was a blue car coming from straight ahead. Yeah,
Okay.
and you attempted.
Yes,
you
I
remember that?
attempted. I should have waited for the car. I noticed that.
You
Yes,
noticed that, and that car was very close. That was definitely failed.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
should have
because
waited.
the other guy swerved away a little bit. Yeah. On the left side. Yeah, you made it.
Yeah.
Yes, but it was not a good move.
Yeah, because the obstruction was on my
On your
side,
side.
and then I saw the
Yeah,
car
that's
was
a good
coming.
thing.
I should have
Okay,
waited. Yeah.
remember that. Yes, think about it as
Yeah.
well. Okay, then again the mini roundabout. You done exactly the same. Mini roundabout was all empty, and you were looking unnecessary on the left.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
so it's fine. Then coming to Hatch8, believe me or no, yeah. Naveed, when he was going on Hatch8 fast road dual carriageway, yeah, and when you remember Coffee Hall when you did
Yeah,
left, yeah,
left.
I was about to say you, well done. I loved that. The way you basically reduced speed gradually.
Yeah.
There was a car behind us, yes,
Yeah, I
and
noticed that.
you noticed that, yeah?
Yeah.
You gradually reduce the speed and then you turn left and you looked on the right. Yes,
yeah.
which is very good because
Yeah.
there was a sharp left and then
Sharp, yeah.
right. Yes,
Yeah.
but soon you do left, there was an immediate right where you stole the car.
Yes, yeah, I remember. Yeah.
I was about to say, well done,
Yeah.
well done, yeah.
Yeah.
And what you did, you know why you stole the car there?
I have no idea why I did that.
Come on, man. Why did you steal the car?
Who was it in the wrong gear?
You were in the wrong gate, second gate. Because as
see,
you
I
was
should have
look,
been, yes.
as you turn left,
Yeah.
yes, then you was about to do right. There was a car coming straight ahead of us. Yeah,
Was it
the
closed?
guy, yeah, it was closed.
Yeah. And there was a hump as well.
hump as well. And the guy stopped for you. Yeah, he flashed you.
Yes.
And when he flashed you, you wanted to turn right.
Yeah.
Yes, he was a nice guy. He flashed that you can go. And what you did basically, you tried to move. The car was a little bit uphill.
Yeah.
It was a little bit uphill, and second gear car would not move in an uphill. If it's a downhill, yes, you will, but uphill it wouldn't. Yeah, that was the problem. Okay, so careful about it. That was 100% failure, and you know the reason about it. Yeah. Okay. Then speed humps. After that, there was so many speed humps. Naveed, what is the speed for the speed humps?
It's between 5 to 10.
No,
No.
10,
So to the hump for
on the
the
humps.
is 10.
10 to 15. Isn't
10
it?
to
Keep
15,
10 in
yeah,
mind.
yeah.
You might be able to do 15. 10 to
Yeah.
15 is fine.
Yeah.
You was doing 3-4 speed humps. Yeah, after that stalling, obviously you was under pressure as well.
Yeah, I
and
was
you was
doing
doing 20, yeah, and it was quite jumpy, bumpy, you know.
I could feel you as well in me was going up and down. Yeah.
All right, that's fine. Careful about it. Yeah, and after that you missed instructions.
Yes,
Yeah,
I did.
it said turn left, and you was on the right
On the
side,
right
and you
side,
was
yeah.
about to go right, and I said it's okay because I'm aware of that,
Yeah.
and just make a because there was no car coming behind us. We turn left. If there is a car coming behind us, yeah, what was the best way?
To go right.
To go right.
Yeah.
That's problem. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. Focus on the instructions anyway. Try to do as per the instructions.
Okay.
And what else was? Okay. Yeah. After that, you driven very nicely. Yeah. Marina roundabout you did today. Okay. Hatch8 standing way. Good speed, and then you did a Roman roundabout perfectly fine, no mistakes whatsoever.
Yeah.
Further down, when you came up
And
here,
then
yeah,
the round-
and you did roundabout too early signal.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because there was that mean I was going to take the
Left.
Left. Yeah.
Yeah, that there was a car behind us.
No.
Careful about it because you know that roundabout you've done many times.
Yeah.
Examiner asks you to go straight ahead. It looks like right, and because
Yes,
it's over
yeah.
12 o'clock, and there's a zebra crossing up there. Yes, we always keep ourselves on the left side and stay on the left and go.
Okay.
Yeah, so at that point, you given a left indicator too early. That was basically left turning. Huh? Good, careful about as well as and then after that. You was about to ask me one question about the pedestrian zebra crossing. What was the question?
Yes, so the guy was in the middle island, so he wasn't actually on our pedestrian side yet. So he just crossed his side, and he was in the middle island. So I was a bit hesitant to stop for him. So the question was like, should I stop?
What do you think?
Because he's in the middle island, and about to cross his side of
His
the
side of the
zebra,
road.
and then he just came to the middle island. I think I should.
By the
Can-
time you come close to the zebra crossing,
Yeah. It would have taken a bit of time.
Bit of time,
Yeah.
and you
so
done fine?
I done fine. Okay, yeah.
Okay. If the guy is
Yeah.
already there, and when you are approaching,
No, and then I
the
stopped.
guy is about to join your side of the road,
Yeah.
then you should have. That guy was other side of the road, just coming to the middle island.
Yes.
By the time you take a couple of more steps, you would have been gone. And
Yeah.
that's what we did anyway. That was perfectly
Yeah.
fine. All right, that's good. And make sure potholes. Yeah, that pothole was very bad. You should have swerved away. Yeah,
that was a
and or
bad
slow down as well. Okay, and then on the same road, what was the speed?
30 on the
College your college road,
30.
30.
Yeah.
What speed was you doing?
So doing a bit more. Is it?
35.
35, right?
Yeah, so careful about it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
there was a cars parked on the
On the right
on
side.
the right side as well. So and that's and on that side I have to sort of slow down.
Little bit more slow down.
because another car can squeeze in there.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
okay,
But the
yeah.
speed there is 30. If there's no other
30,
car
yeah,
coming,
yeah.
you can do a good 30 anyway.
yeah.
But if there's another car coming, you can slow down a little bit. Yes.
I think what I did, I should have looked at the TomTom to plan ahead to where it goes. By the time I noticed, I was going 35.
All right. Then come to the last bit of that.
Yeah.
Pull up on the right.
Oh, that was
Yeah?
the worst one. I know.
You pulled up on the right nicely.
Yeah.
You was reversing back nicely. You was going a little bit away from the
Away,
curb,
I
and then you
noticed that.
adjusted that. It's fine. I don't mind about it. But Naveed, after that, I said to you, drive on when you are ready.
That was
Yes.
the worst one.
That was the
Yeah.
worst one because
Very bad,
you done good observations.
Yeah.
You got yourself ready. As it was uphill, you took a bit of pressure of your clutch. Your clutch is good now. Don't worry about the clutch. You're not stalling the car for the clutch. You stole the car for the
Wrong gear.
wrong gear. Yeah. So keep in good gear number 1.
Yeah.
Okay. As you are moving away, yeah, make sure look around. And now you are dealing 2 types of cars.
Yeah.
Car coming from straight ahead of you, and car come from the behind. Yes. So when you attempt it, the cars coming ahead of us, yeah, they were a bit far. Yeah. But the car coming from the left behind,
Yeah.
it was a bit close. Yeah, that's why I use my brakes.
Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
so make sure look over the shoulder like that, and 100% sure no car is coming, or even if the car is coming, car should be too far.
Too far.
Then you attempt. Yeah, and when you attempted it, I stopped you. Yeah, and then obviously the other people, they came up
Yeah.
at the time, and then just looked around and moved off.
Yeah.
So careful about that. We're gonna practice that maneuver
Thank
again.
you. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
so overall, yes, I know you are not fully trained yet.
Yeah.
You're still making mistakes, but
Yeah.
we want to do these mock tests because before we go to the test, we're gonna correct all these mistakes.
Okay.
Okay,
No
happy?
worries, Yeah.